What's up, everybody? It's JB at Staxx at Packz. Thursday, April 6, 2023, 8:39 p.m. Central Standard Time. We are going to do our second 4-box pick your team of the new Topps 2022 Stadium Club Chrome. Amazing product. Let's pull a Superfractor. We got a red Joe Carter yesterday out of 5. Let's get a Superfractor. Let's just go ahead and pull the Julio Superfractor right now. How about that? All right, good luck, everybody. All cards ship. Bounty number 61. Payout is $500. Let's go, son. Wander Super. What's up, Adam? Hey, what's up, Brent? Hey, I'm gonna do your box after this break while we fill 3, because this one got filled right before I went live. So I figured we'll start off with the break, and then people can go to the site, or we can check, or we can do the discounts and get the teams knocked off for number 3 while we are doing your box. So hopefully you're cool with that. All right. I'm fiending for a super. It's been a long time since we've had a super from... Oh, we haven't hit one of those yet. Let's go ahead and get that one sleeved up right away. We got a Bobby Witt Jr. rookie. Did not hit one of his rookies yet. Who got the Royals? Royals are... Zach. There you go, Zach. Just a base, but we'll take Bobby Witt base rookie. I did notice that they did make the top rookie base cards harder to pull. I actually like that, though, because that means they're not like oversaturated in the product. It's not like Flagship where you opened every box. I think it was it the update? Maybe it was last year's Flagship where you got like yeah, I think it was Series 1 last year where there's a Wander in every box almost. Even the Julio's rookies, the paper stock. Newt Bar, yeah, that's another one. People forgot about Newt Bar with the Cardinals. There's so many rookies. And you got Newt Bar. You got Jeremy Pena on the Astros. Suzuki on the Cubs. Guardians have Quan. The Mariners, of course, J-Rod. Let's see. Who else am I looking at here? The Nationals. I'm not sure about the Nationals checklist. Alright, here we go. The Reds got Hunter Green. We pulled a redemption of him yesterday for Brian. Alright, here we go. Box 1. Pirates with O'Neal Cruz. Tigers with Torkelson, Twins, Royce Lewis. Yankees have Jeter autos. The Rays with the Wander. Of course, here we go. All right, Bryson Stott, Phillies, another one. Phillies, Brian Browns. So if I don't sleeve up your stuff right now, I will before it gets shipped, so don't worry. The Trophy Hunters, Justin Verlander from the Astros. Zach Wheeler. Yesterday we were getting like 3 numbered cards a box on average. Ryland Bannon, rookie for the Orioles. Lourdes Gurriel. Cal Ripken Jr. Refractor for the Orioles. Nice refractor right there. Orioles are John H. Yeah, Abrams. Yep. I have not. I could be wrong, but I have not seen any of the top rookie supers pulled yet. I did see Suzuki non-auto super was pulled. I seen that on Reddit, but I haven't seen like Wander or Julio, Torque. Correct me if I'm wrong. Hunter Green Beam Team, but so far I haven't seen those guys supers yet. Hunter Green on the Beam Team. The Beam Teams are cool. They just look OC. but that is the design. We actually have another wave in here. We got Joey Gallo, Dylan Bundy, Beam Team of Bryce Harper, Mitch Haniger for the Mariners, Harrison Bader for the Yankees. I forgot he was on the Yankees. Jesse Winker for the Mariners, Jonathan India for the Reds, Wilson Contreras, Cubbies, and we got a dynasty of Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. So the dynasty are the vets, and then on the other ones they have Destiny for like the younger guys. And Alek Thomas, another rookie, that's going to the Diamondbacks. That'll be Brian Brown's. Our wave team of the future. I thought it said culture for some reason. Team of the future, Robert. Luis Robert for the White Sox. That's nice. White Sox, Brian Browns. Get some buzzer action going. Bryce Harper, Alek Thomas, get him sleeved up. And get this Mookie sleeved up real quick. Still looking for an autograph. All right, here we go. David Wright. Okay, here's our first numbered card, a blue Bieber, Shane Bieber. We're looking for 61 for $500. 44 of 199 for Bieber. Bieber and the Guardians are going to go to Joseph DeWald. So the blues are to 199, the greens are to 99, orange is to 25, and then red is to 5. Oh yeah, golds are to 50, and then orange 25 and red to 5, and then this you got the supers, of course. All right, Sonny Gray, Skubal, Tristan McKenzie for the Guardians, Mark McGuire for the A's, Max Fried, and there we go. We got a Wander Franco team of future going to the Rays. See how shiny these inserts are? It's crazy. Such nice cards. Thurman Munson for the Yankees. Montero for the Rockies. That's a rookie. Kyle Lewis, Ty France, and Aaron Judge on the Beam team. Gonna go to Brent. Christian Yelich for the Brewers. Emmanuel Clace for the Guardians. Javier Baez for the Tigers. Mark Kolosvary for the Reds. It's a rookie. And Jim Abbott for the Angels. They are a little more bowed this year, but they will flatten out. The bowing is better than it being like scratched up or indents on them. You just gotta be careful when you sleeve and top load them. They'll flatten out though. We have another numbered card, Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays. That's gonna be out of 199. Color match on the blue. Blue Jays, Brian Brown's looking for number 61. 87 of 199. Alek Manoah, blue. Number 3 does have spots open if you want to go through the website. If you want to wait for after the break, I will do 15% off Cash App, Facebook Pay, Apple Pay, and Zelle. Kirby Puckett. Brooks Robinson. Kirilloff, where's our autograph at? Shane McClanahan for the Rays. Jonathan India, Team of Future for the Reds. Rookie of Connor Seabold for the Red Sox. Tyler Glasnow. Got an Andre Jackson for the Dodgers. Mike Trout, Beam Team. Beam Team. It's going to go to the Angels. Brad. Beam Team Abrams. Ooh, that's a green one. That'll be numbered out of 99. Nice hit, Nationals. 85 of 99 on CJ Abrams. Brian Browns. Nice. So we got 3 numbered cards already. I do have 4 boxes of Big League. Like 3 a.m. last night, I was like, you know what? I'm going to open one and try to hit a Jeff Wilson card. I did not get a Jeff Wilson card. I got a monkey, the rally monkey from the Angels. I didn't know there was a rally monkey for the Angels. But we could do some Big League and also some Chrome update. It would be a really cheap break, actually, for random teams. Juan Soto, Team of the Future for the Padres. Matt Olson. There's a Hunter Green rookie. Nice. Jake McCarthy, another rookie. He's for the Diamondbacks. Austin Hayes. Mariano. And I think our auto is a sideways horizontal, I believe. See if it's a rookie. It is a rookie. It's Andre Jackson for the Dodgers. The Dodgers. It's going to be Brian Browns on the rookie auto. Andre Jackson. The good thing is, for the most part, I haven't seen a lot of cases with a ton of pitcher autos. Andre Jackson for box 1. I think that Vlade or whatever his name is might actually be a refractor too. Let me check. Yeah, refractor rookie for the Rockies. Still got I think like 19 left in the next break. 23 or 24 in number 4. Francisco Morales for the Phillies. Jose Altuve, Mountcastle, Scherzer, Alcantara. There's a Mariano Rivera, trophy hunter for the Yankees, going to Brent. Ted Williams and Rodolfo Castro ends box 1 for the break. All right, next box. Here we go, box 2. go through the regular base a little quicker on the next 3. Just wanted to show off some of the cards. All the cards are nice. Even like they're just regular vet base cards are nice. So. All right, guess the next autograph for $10 in credit. Drop your guess what the next autograph is, even if you're not in the break. Put a guess in who the next autograph is in the comments for $10 store credit. All right, here we go. Another Jonathan India insert. Trevor Story, Hans Cruz, rookie for the Phillies. Does he on the Cardinals? Dang, I didn't know that. I didn't look at the teams that had already been bought checklist. I just went through the teams that haven't sold in the break real quick. That's Robbie Ray, Casey Mize. We got Destiny of Tatis Jr. for the Padres. Bo Jackson going out Royals. Ha-Seong Kim. Alejo Lopez rookie for the Reds. JT Realmuto. This is pretty cool. Here's a trophy hunter of Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. That'll go to Shea. Griffey Jr. trophy hunter. Yeah, I know. For real, there is. All right, Rizzo. Brandon Crawford. Garrett Cole. Pedro Martinez, and we got a rookie of Seth Beer for the D-backs. There's a Torkelson Beam team going to the Tigers. Joe Ryan rookie. Heliot Ramos. And Tyler O'Neill. Adam, did he really get sent down? I read on Twitter that he got sent down because they were ticked off on that play where he got out at home base. They said he didn't put enough effort or something into it. I watched a replay. I couldn't see him going from second to third, so I couldn't see that part. But people in the comments were saying that it was ridiculous. I don't know. Oh, okay. Verlander. Joe Musgrove. That is a refractor for the Padres. Brandon Lau. Joe Adell. Carlos Correa. MJ Melendez for the Royals. I think we have orange. Or maybe not. Yeah, no, that looks orange, yeah. Ivan Castillo for the Royals. And there's a Julio Team of the Future insert rookie going to the Mariners for Shea. Nice. It looks like we have an orange to 25 coming up. Sandberg, Hoyt Park rookie for the Pirates. Patrick Wisdom, Vladimir Guerrero, Senior, Colton Wong, and the orange is going to go to the Rockies. Connor Joe. Connor Joe, that'll be out of 25. 2 of 25, Connor Joe. Rockies are John H. Out of 25. Darryl Strawberry for the Mets. Paul Molitor, Josh Donaldson. Rosarina. We got Curtis Terry, rookie for the Reds. Ohtani on the team of the future insert for the Angels. Chris Taylor for the Dodgers. Ernie Banks. Mullins and Cody Bellinger. Numbered card green to 99. That's going to go to the Astros. Alex Bregman. Going to go to Zach. 42 of 99. Bregman, 42 of 99 on the green refractor. Looks like I see another wave again. I thought the waves were like 1 in 112. I don't know. Richie Palacios for the Guardians, right? Yeah. Boggs, Ichiro, and our next trophy hunter is Max Scherzer. And here's our auto. It's our rookie auto of Simon Musiotti, rookie for the Phillies. Brian Browns. Scherzer on the trophy hunters for the Mets. Steele, Nelson Cruz, Corbin Burns. Tyler McGill, blue to 199. 123 of 199 for the Mets. Tyler McGill. Jared Walsh. We got Lou Gehrig. Tyler Gilbert, rookie for the Diamondbacks. And a trophy hunter of Bryce Harper for the Phillies. Phillies again. Alright, well, it's not an auto, but it's a wave of Pujols for the Cardinals. Trophy hunters, the waves are not numbered. Wave trophy hunter of Albert Pujols going to Adam. Nice card. Tyler McGill. All right, rest of box 2. Springer. There's a Wander rookie. Base rookie of Wander Franco for the Rays. It's going to go to Zach. Liam Hendricks. Nolan Ryan. Beam team of Robert for the White Sox. Greg Dykman for the Cubs. A Mookie Betts refractor going to the Dodgers. Tyler McGill again, McCutchen, and Frank Robinson. I did see Wander Franco's, his autos are live. A lot of the other rookies like Pena, Witt, the Julio, those ones that I've seen look like the redemptions. All right, box 3. First 2 boxes have been all right, been like average. Let's get a hot box. The Athletics, not yet, I don't think. Not yet. On box 3, still halfway to go. Yeah, I got a feeling in the rest of the case there should be a couple more bangers here. Stay. Vladdy, team of the future for the Blue Jays. There's Suzuki, rookie for the Cubbies. Pepe White for the Dodgers. Refractor of Enrique Hernandez for the Red Sox. Refractor. Colton Welker, rookie for the Giants. There's a Judge base. Ricky Henderson, Shane Baz, and we got a Judge on the Trophy Hunter going to Brent. Starling Marte for the Mets, Strasburg, and Brendan Donovan, rookie for St. Louis. Nick Lodolo for the Reds. Hunter Green, Beam Team. There's an Abrams rookie for the Nationals. Eli Morgan rookie for the Guardians. Molina. Ryan De La Cruz rookie on the Marlins. Forgot about him too. Beam Team of Harper. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurts. Julio on the Destiny. Nice. For Shea. Julio on the Destiny insert for the Mariners. Ernie. There you go, Luigi. Ernie, rookie for the A's. Keith Hernandez. Torres. Connor Joe. And I think that's gold. Yeah, gold. Brandon Woodruff for the Brewers. That's going to be out of 50. 44-50 for the Brewers. Brewers are Brian. Gold on the Brandon Woodruff. Yeah, that'd be nice. Rookie auto, Ryan Valade for the Rockies. Rockies auto. John H. There we go. John H with the rookie auto from the Rockies. And then the team of the future, Tatis Jr. There's another A's rookie. Canseco for the A's. Guerrero. Joe Carter, that's the one we pulled out of 5 yesterday. Mike Trout on the Trophy Hunters. Mike Trout. Brad. Julio base rookie. There we go. Julio on the base for Shea. A couple of Julios this box. Actually, 3. Yeah, 2 Julios. We got 3 Julios so far. Miggy, Matt Vierling, Zach Greinke, Trout refractor for the Angels. Nice. Nice Mike Trout refractor going to Brad. Beam team of Judge again. And the rest of box 3, there's Detmer's rookie for the Angels. Castro, blue rookie. 80 of 199. Pirates. Brad. Blue, Rodolfo Castro. Mackenzie Gore for the Nationals. Jake Myers, rookie for the Astros. Kirby, rookie. Mariners. Will Smith, team of the future insert. Zagriffy. O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates, rookie. It's going to go to Brad as well. Luis Gill, Yankees rookie. Devers for the Trophy Hunters for the Red Sox. Nick Plummer for the Mets. And Jim Palmer to finish off box 3. All on-card live rookie autos this break so far. No real big rookie though. Hunter Green redemption we pulled was just like a base auto rookie redemption. And last box mojo. Here we go. Last box. There is 2 more breaks on the website. Pick your team. 4-box 3, 4-box 4. They're all gonna run the rest of the night. Whatever I put up, it will run no matter what. I'll take the spots that if they don't fill. Because I'm gonna start sorting all these tomorrow and getting everything ready to get shipped out. Try to get everything sorted and shipped by Friday night. This will be after this box. This will be the half case point. 8 out of the 16. So see it's super. I'm gonna put them in 2 stacks. Nobody stack better. All right, here we go. Last box of 4-box pick your team number 2. Here we go. Soto, Nick Allen. There's Freddie Freeman on the beam team going to the Dodgers. Yu Darvish, Craig Biggio, Ryan Vilade, Chipper, De La Cruz, Diego. There's Royce Lewis for the Twins. Kyle Schwarber. That one looks miscut. Schwarber on the Phillies. Harper. And here's Acuna Jr. Team of the future. That's going to go to Mr. John Word for the Braves. Johnny Word. He's probably not watching. Pete Alonso, Ty Cobb, Aaron Ashby rookie, Tony Gwynn, Joey Votto beam team, Hoskins, and Ozzie Smith. Yeah, a couple ones that look like they were miscut in this box. First time I've seen that. There's Quan rookie going to the Guardians. Joseph. Mike Trout base. Suarez and Will Smith again. Team of the future. Duran rookie. Badu. Zach Short. We got a refractor blue Tyler Glasnow out of 199. 147 out of 199 for the Rays. Going to Zach. Dale Murphy, Michael Kopech, Tim Anderson, Ryan Howard, Seager, Crawford, and another trophy hunter. This one is Griffey again. King Griffey, 2 of those in the break for Shea. And Benintendi for the Yankees, and then Babe Ruth for the Yankees as well. All right, come on. Looks like we have gold. Tatis again, Will Clark, Josiah Gray for the Nationals. Carlos Correa, trophy hunter, and I think we got gold behind him. This might be an autograph, actually. I think we got an auto. Yes, it's going to the Guardians at a 50. Richie Palacios. Going to Joseph DeWald, and it is numbered 13 of 50. There we go. Gold rookie auto. Quan would have been cooler, but we'll take it. Trophy Hunters, Correa, Bryce Elder, rookie for the Braves, Renfroe, Santana, rookie of Connor Wong for the Red Sox, Chisholm. There's a beam team of Vlad for the Blue Jays, Greg Maddux for the Cubs, Buster Posey, he's retired. We got JD Martinez refractor for the Red Sox. There we go, Red Sox with the refractor of Martinez. All right, last stack. Emmanuel Rivera for the Diamondbacks, rookie. Giancarlo. Mark Colazavari, rookie for the Reds. Shane McClanahan. Beam team of Devers. Dylan Carlson. Profar, Glasnow, Robinson. Andre Jackson, rookie. And we got Joe Adell on the Destiny for the Angels. Looks like we got another gold. Come on, give us a big rookie gold or something here. Cal Raleigh for the Mariners. Jaron Duran, rookie for the Red Sox. Let's go from the back. Jake Berger, White Sox rookie. Witt. And let's go ahead and use a cover card. Maybe some good luck to finish off this break with a big gold rookie, hopefully. Let's see. For the Cardinals, I'm going to go to Adam. Hey, that's pretty sweet. How about Paul Goldschmidt? A Goldie Gold. There we go. 42 out of 50. Gold of Goldschmidt. That's nice. Alright, let me get these sleeved up and top loaded. We'll do a recap. And then while we're filling break 3, I'm going to do Brent's personal. Any teams that are left, when I put them up on the screen, you can get 15% off using Cash App, Zelle, Apple Pay, Facebook Pay. If you end up wanting to close out a break, like say there's like 10 teams left and you just want to buy the rest of them, they're all cheap teams or something, I'll give you a better discount to just close it out. That's what Brian did with this break. So So far, I'm trying to remember all the hits from yesterday. So far, I want to say, I don't know. I don't know what that Hunter Green would be worth, but Joe Carter to 5's probably not worth a ton. But though either the Hunter Green or the Joe Carter to 5 is probably the biggest hit that we pulled from the case so far, I would think. I don't know. Who knows? I could be wrong. The values are so crazy anymore, you have to check comps daily because you never know. So the next break, I will guarantee it to run by 10 p.m. Central. I'm going to do Brent's personal in between. And then whatever's left at 10 p.m. I will take, and we will run break 3 at 10 p.m. Central. Unless it fills before that and I get done with Brent's personal before that. If it's filled, we'll run it right after that. Connor Joe, orange. I would think we got. I don't like saying stuff like this because you never know, but I would think there's got to be a big rookie hit in the case somewhere. There's so many top rookies from this class. You would think that we got to hit like one of the redemptions of the big rookies, or a low numbered, or a super of somebody, something. That's the first Bobby Witt out of the case. Only one Bobby Witt rookie so far out of 8 boxes. Abrams, that one was nice. Beam team to 99. Simon Musiotti for the Phillies rookie auto. We've got the wave of Luis Roberts. Wander. Julio again. Pujols wave, trophy hunter. On-card rookie auto Andre Jackson for the Dodgers, and the gold on-card auto of Richie Palacios for the Guardians out of 50. 13 out of 50. The bounty was not hit. Bounty is going to go up to 550. Thank you for watching and joining the break. Appreciate it very much. Let's move the bounty up to 550.